Today is Monday, y'all. How was y'all Thanksgiving? I had a great Thanksgiving. It was awesome. I cooked, honey. Made drinks, honey. Yes. I did things. I did all the things. Yes. So what was you guys up to? Because I know I didn't do much. I danced a little bit, listened to some music. Yeah, it was awesome, y'all. The food was great. My nephew stopped by. I talked to family on FaceTime. Like, it was great. And I'm not doing a whole bunch of shopping for Christmas. Honey, that is out. Yeah, we are on strike. And plus, I wasn't doing no lot of shopping, no way. My girls are grown. I just got my grandson and my granddaughter, and I just usually do something for them. But yeah, I usually do something for the grandkids, but my girls, I usually give them money or gift cards or something. Cause I got big plans for 26, honey. I have big plans. Yes, I do. And I need to save to do them. Cause once I do whatever I got planned on doing for next year, yeah, I'm gonna need money, honey. I'm gonna need money. So we'll talk about that next year. Winter Wonderland. Yeah, it snowed Sunday. Saturday and Sunday, actually. And Sunday morning. Saturday, the whole day. Sunday morning. So, yeah, it is officially winter. Alright, guys, I'm making a drink. I'm making a drink tonight. Alright, so we are live. And I'm going out adding some Simply strawberry. And I'm not measuring, y'all. I'm just making. Finally got the towel. I'm going to use it. I'm going to pour the drink in there. I want you guys to see it. my God, y'all, look, I made us a drink. I finally used our Goji beverage tower, and I just wanted you guys to see. Okay, look at it. Look at it. I love it, guys. Look at the liquor in there, and then the drink. Looking gorgeous. Oh, that is so pretty.